Where are you, Dodo? Where are you? Hey! Where are you, Dodo? Where are you? Mama!
You look for Dada! Go.
Mama! It can open.
Can't open. The vampire found me! The vampire!
Where is Mama?
Oh, where is Mama? Now Mama is gone. Where is Mama? Where is
Ito
Mama?
lang masabit. Pinag-video ko ninyo.
Ha? Asan mo?
Video dito naka-standby.
Where is Mama?
I will eat here. That's mantikaon. You're not allowed to eat that. Dala siya dito.
Asan ba tikam mo?
Nasa babaw.
Ha?
Nasa babaw.
Ha?
Dito, sa may gatas.
Let's play vampire. Bite the vampire. Vampire. You're the vampire, Kara.
Kyle is the vampire! Oh no! Oh no! Give me the remote! Go to Dada! Dada is hiding!
No, no.
Saan ka nagawa? Saan ka nagawa? Oh my God! Ah, no! No, no! Where? The nose? Yes. Bing! Bing!
Oh!
Naigo! Naigo sa kong tuhod.
Oh my God!
Si.
Nagdugo?
Oh, dugo.
Asa?
Sinipon.
Ah! Hala!
Oh my God.
Hala!
Ah, it's okay, Kyle. It's okay. Let's just gargle water. Bing, nagtago ako, Bing. Saka siya. Hindi ko dili. It's okay. You get the water, get water. You see? Ah! It's fine. It's fine.
You're a big boy na.
Big boy.
Okay, you can drink water. Drink sa water para no blood. Ma-injection jud na. Because it's bloody. So, drink water. Drink water so that no injection.
Kyle, big boy. Kyle is a big boy. Ah, and pour it out. Pour it out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Tickle, Dada, tickle!
No.
Woohoo!
No. Ah, ito. Okay. Gums na siya. Hello. You gargle water. Where's your water? Water. Give me the water. Water, gargle.
Gargle, gargle.
And spit out. Spit out. Again. More. Again. Spit out. Spit. Good. Again, more. Wow. Spit out. Spit out. Okay.
More pa water.
More water. Spit out. Okay, let's see. Dada is here. Wow. Now we will play Dr. Ken. Huh?
You wanna drink? Try.
Come.
Try.
This is an operation, composite operation. That is an operation headed by
Yummy?
Yummy.
So,
That's it. Isa.
to have transported to the head.
Kiss Mama Dada.
Sir,
Kiss Mama Dada.
my order is to serve the order that I received is to serve the warrant and the jury
Number one, this one. Oh, kiss Mama.
Kiss Dada.
I love you, Kael.
The order from Israel is to deliver him to the team that will deliver him to the Hague. As sino ka na yun? Na-establish naman natin siya.
1, 2, clap. Clap. Again. 1, 2, clap. And then I go. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Again.
Sir, I think we have
1, 2.
yung order ko.
No. 1, 2. The 3 we clap together. 1, 2.
Okay, sige. Ngayon, pinili ko
1, 2. Clap.
Pumapak sa lamisa.
Clap my hands.
Ayaw niya sumakay sa aeroplano. Sino nag-order sa'yo na isakay niya sa aeroplano? Thank you for the questions, sir. The answer to the questions too.
Kaya mo kayo sabihin.
1, 2. Clap.
Yung follow, Dada, yung follow. Like this.
You do like this.
You do like this. 1, 2, you.
Still, sir, I think my order.
Very good.
Clap.
Don't you think it?
1, 2, and then clap my hands. 1, 2, clap. I like boys. Let's rock play.
Maya daw rock play.
I am asking them because they're on the ground. Sila ang nag-implement noon. Kaya, the order of the So, sino nagbigay ng order kay General na masakay sa aeroplano?
You know.
So, this the guidance that ang ano po namin the office of PCTC. Okay, oh, PCTC. Kasi, order the boarding of President Duterte sa aeroplano. General Alcantara.
Gusto na. Gusto na sila, no?
My mandate is to coordinate
Bubble gum? Where did you learn bubble gum?
Correct. I believe you said coordination ka lang.
You hit that, I hit.
Sinabi ni Jeff.
No. You do tricks. Dada will show you tricks. Whoa! Wow! Kael can do some hits.
Dala na lang itong camera diri.
For the record, I will not authority order.
Whoa!
Order.
Come here.
Ayaw, itakuha ha?
Let's see Dada your hair. Let's see Dada the teeth. Show Dada the teeth. Okay. Good. It's okay. Show me Dada your trick. Wow! See that? Again. Huh? Whoa! Again. I'll show. Dada will show you a trick. Dada will follow where the ball is. You just put the ball. Where's the ball?
That's why if you are trying to make a person appear, something
Triple combo! Pa! Ah, yeah! Hello? I will hit you again. I have now the power. I have now the power. That's the power.
Giving orders is different from giving orders. Tuloy natin ito. Sino nag-order? At kung namin nag-order, sino nag-utos? Ikaw sabi ko nag-order. Admit mo na
Look, what happened? Cut? Cut.
Nalaman mo na merong problema. March 9, ako po nasa airport at sinasabi sa akin, mukhang may mga chismis na merong warrant. So, balik tayo. Pero chismis na alam ko kung totoo yun. Out of state.
Oh, I'm damaged. Oh, the power. Oh. I'm hit with the power. The power of the fish. Oh. Kaya,
Don't worry.
I'm defeated. I will now.
Worry, Dada.
I am now stoned. I will go.
Worry.
I am now going back to my original form. Kyle, I'm going to my original form. I'm original form, Kyle. I'm original form.
Don't worry. I will help.
Ma'am, maraming salamat talaga sa tanong na yan. For me to clarify that statement na nag-twist na si Sir Bonita. That interview is made from the context of adjudicacy and duty. Isang part naman ng PNP, narinig na akong part
Ya, 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 do, you know naman ano.
bilang operations officer, bilang commander, yung purpose of contingency planning.
Ayat ka, ayat ka. I will eat you alive. What?
Oh my God!
Okay, Karen. You had fun. Are you okay?
Yes,
Did you enjoy?
yes.
Alright. See that too? Later, Mama, it's time for Mama. Mama will take you bath.
Yes, you played so much.
So much. Look at the Bobby. Look at the blood.
Nagulus ni kugurot na po kayo.
Ha?
Ito po kayo
I do that.
Hmm? Dada, City.
Dada.
Hmm.
Ako dito. Wawa.
No. You do that if we're together, huh? If we're together. Later. Oh, you fix the bed now. You fix the bed. You fix the bed. Ayun na. Wow! Jump! You fix the bed. Fix the bed now. Whoa! Very high! Later, huh? Where's your glasses, Kyle? Where's your glasses? Hmm? Bing, gusto niya si Milda Bing nagkakuan siya?
Hindi mo nalagay kung ano na siya. Sabi nag-lead anak na
Ha?
tingalagin ko. Tingalag na niya yung tao. Ano? Siya ang nag-lead sa hearing ang
Hey! Ay! Ay!
murag makuhan ka ba? Ano? Something squishy kay
May ba? Jaime?
ay
Murag balimbing?
basin front lang niya na kay para madaog yapon siya senator kay daw sa kayo ang Marcos yan nidagdag ba siya senator kain sa yayay kay si mama anak kain kadelikado dito mapakong ka anak sa amin ba
I don't want to mama.
try yung matero pa
Muna ikakain ba din karon sa tuwa karon? Ano mo ipalit siya sa dati?
ano nang iyang delete ang
My leg. I'm Gigi. Baby, go do. Get.
King! May kaya pa mayari ako yung bulong?
Maapo sila yung
Hindi naman natin maliligaw ang napaka-high profile ni RRC. Ito na nga, may preparation na may
Ano siya ang pinakamakalagot? Kita ka sa mga video sa pag-aral sa Duterte. Ano siyang marhaw